What is up, y'all? Welcome to Ooh, That's Karen. Anyways, as you can see, my PCOS is acting up. I got cystic pimples all over the place, and hopefully once I lose the weight it won't be as bad because my insulin will be kind of managed a little bit better. Anyways, on that note, I do have my nutrition class coming up on November 22nd. Super excited, so make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos that I'm updating on my weight loss surgery progress and all the good stuff that I'm going to learn about on that appointment. Also, I am in the process of cleaning up my craft area, as you can see, so we can start doing our unboxings. I got a whole bunch of stuff between LOL dolls and some really fun things. And yes, I did do one of those pigment washes in my hair, so all of my silver hair turned into kind of a frosty like pink. Hopefully it'll wash out, because eventually I want to dye all my hair back one color and just roll with that. Anyways, again, like and subscribe. I will talk to y'all soon and keep you updated. We will be doing some unboxings and all that good stuff. If there is something that you want to see us unbox or you have any questions, make sure you hit me up.